Where y'all live at? Where y'all live at?
And my name is Sunny. And my last name is Sunny McCoy.
Wow, you got some beautiful children.
Thank you.
Hey, Sunny McCoy.
Thank you.
Nighty night. Nighty night. Look, you ready to make some more. Look at you.
Facts.
You want to get some more. Look at you. You ready to make some more kids. Look at you.
No.
Why?
Let me see, baby. Let's go brush
Right,
our
so look.
Let's brush our
Look at
teeth. No, that's it for them.
Where y'all at?
Yeah, you gotta see one. And Cali.
What part of Cali?
Not too far from LA.
Oh, LA. Okay.
Come on, let's brush our teeth.
Thank you for calling in, and thank you for calling into my party.
Yes.
You have
Peace.
blessed
I
my
love
party
myself.
with your beauty. Thank you and your beautiful children.
Thank you.
I love myself.
I love myself.
Wow, it's like everybody in the room is just beautiful. Like, what the fuck? There's mad beautiful people in the room. What the fuck? All these beautiful people popped out of nowhere. There's a lot of beautiful people in the room, y'all. Damn, look at all these women. Like, oh my God, bro. Like, what the fuck? Bro, it's a lot of beautiful women in here. I don't even know which one to pick first. Like, what the fuck? All right, I'm gonna pick her. Okay, she didn't pick up. So, whoa, there's a lot of women in here. Like, I'm gonna pick her. Okay, it's all beautiful women. Like, all beautiful women. It's crazy. I hope the fellas is in the building. Y'all ain't gonna want to miss this. Wow, what's going on? How you feeling? Is that all your hair?
It's all mine.
Wow.
Yeah.
The universe. Yes. Thank you.
Just say hello.
You have a You said you have a question?
No, I was just saying hello.
Are you drinking with me?
No, I just got off the Babylon clock.
You look like something out of an art, like a art picture.
Thank you. I'm thankful.
I appreciate you calling in. Thank you, so for real. Like, where you from? What's your sign?
I'm from North Carolina.
North Kakalaki. Okay. What part of North Carolina?
Winston-Salem.
Huh?
Winston-Salem.
Salem. Okay, Salem. Okay. So, what's your sign?
I am a Cancer sun and a Taurus moon.
Ooh. Wow. Wow.
Right.
You got that good. Wow. Wait, I ain't never heard of that combination before. Cancer with a Taurus moon? Ooh. That's that good.
Yeah.
That's that real good.
Oh, they said I'm playing.
You know it's good. She giggling. She like, she laughing. She know her shit. She know her shit good. Like, yeah, niggas is about to kill themselves over my shit right now. Thanks for calling into my party.
You're welcome. I enjoy y'all lives. Glad to have got on.
North Kakalaki. Everybody, they put in 336 in the building. Like, what's up?
Oh,
They loving you. They loving you for real. Like,
yes. Okay.
Where the cancers at? Where my cancers? Everybody saying North Carolina. Everybody smiling.
Yeah.
You really making everybody smile. Is that a wig or is that your real hair?
No, check my page out. I straight mine. This my.
That's her real hair, y'all. Don't even flex. That's her real hair. Like, she really the universe. Like, that's the black woman. Like, don't even flex, homie.
Don't.
And she dark skinned. Cancer. Let's get it. Taurus moon. Let's get it.
Yes.
Good taste in music. Good taste in food. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Thank you. Thank you for supporting Carbonation too. How many kids?
I have 5 sons.
I know you got 5 sons. I knew that thing was fertile. Ooh. When you said Cancer, Taurus, I said, oh, hell no. This woman got a whole bunch of kids.
What? I'm gonna have to DM you for a reading, cause like, you know my life.
I mean, I'm gonna do the readings, but I don't like doing readings. I'll be trying to teach people how to read their own shit.
Right. Yep.
Well, at least you fertile, and you beautiful, and guess what? Niggas is trying to get it, but they can't. They're gonna be in your inbox. Look, watch. They're gonna be in your. Hey, shorty, hey, I seen you on Chief Page. I just wanted to holler at you.
Okay, well.
Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. So many beautiful creatures. God's creatures are so beautiful. Look at all these beautiful black women. These beautiful black women. Just out there. Just wow. I'm thankful. Thank you for calling in. Peace, reflection. Can you turn something else on, babe? Like, all right, 8 now. I'm getting tired. Y'all better hurry up. I'm getting tired. It don't matter. We going on to the next person. Let's get it. It's supposed to be an Aquarius moon party, new moon party. Oh.
Hello.
Hey.
Peace reflection.
Hello, beautiful. How you feeling?
Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you?
Thank you for blessing my party with your beauty. You got
Thank
full
you.
lips. You look like you got full face. You look beautiful. Your beautiful eyes. You got a beautiful set of teeth. Thank you so much for like calling in, and your fingers are so beautiful.
Oh,
I see your nails. You look so good. Your skin is flawless. Thank you so much for calling in. I really appreciate it.
You are very welcome. I want to be
And I
there
like your
soon.
piercing too. Your piercing right here, that shit is dope. Did that hurt?
Huh? Did it hurt?
Did that hurt?
No, it didn't
Yeah.
hurt. It'll be gone once I come there.
So wait, let me ask you this. Did you so what's your sign and where you calling from?
I'm a Gemini and I'm calling from Ohio.
Ohio, what part of Ohio?
I stay in Canton, Ohio.
You said what?
Canton, Ohio.
Yo, y'all, everybody know Ohio. Turn up, man, in the building, man. Y'all know what it is. Turn up. If you out there in Ohio, holla at her, man. You know what it is. She in the building.
Thank you.
I don't want to flood your inbox too heavy because these dudes, they be thirsty. They don't say nothing, but later on, they going to be in your inbox crazy. Like, yo, I see you on Chief Page. Like, what's up? I'm in Ohio. Like, what's up? You know what I mean? Like,
Right.
But we really hit a
You're
network.
so silly.
Right. We hit a network, right? Cleveland in the building. I like your background, too. It's like red. That's beautiful.
Yes, it's a disco light.
Wow, that's nice. It looked real cozy, like in your room. Like you got a nice little setting. Like what's your sign?
I'm a Gemini.
What's your moon sign?
See, I really don't know. Like I'm
That's
just
okay.
getting this.
That's okay. Just start studying it. Look, you a Gemini, so that means that you well educated. that you are really smart and you alert and that you very witty and that you someone that picks up on everything. Like you know a little bit about everything. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You a socialite. You love to socialize. You're very open-minded, and
Yes.
and you're romantic, and I like that. That's what's up.
I
We're the
mean,
Geminis in the building.
I
Throw
love
your sign
myself.
up. For real, I
Huh?
appreciate you calling in. Thank you for calling my party. Like
You're
I'm
welcome.
really like, this is not me on a regular, but thank you.
You are welcome. You enjoy the rest
And you have
of
a
your
beautiful structure to your face.
night. Thank you.
Yay. Y'all follow her. Y'all know what it is.
I love myself.
I love myself. Let's build. Where y'all at? It's a lot of people in the room like, yo, Sagittarius are very romantic. Brisk. What is the most romantic sign?
Oh, snap.
What's up? What's going on? Yes.
What's up, Chief?
What's up, Dimples? What's up, Dimples?
What's going on?
Wow. You really naturally beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. Like you really like, you got the educated look. Like you just not even trying. Like, wow.
Thank you.
You just like beautiful. Like
That's what's up. That's what's
you
up.
ain't even trying to get no attention. Like, and you beautiful. Like, wow.
Shit, I didn't even know you was gonna hit the button.
Right. You just look like you ain't trying and niggas just be falling at you like your foot. Like, yo, what's up, shorty? You like, yo, chill. I'm just going to the store. Like, I ain't even dressed up. Like,
That's what's up.
like real dudes, they can see a beautiful woman no matter what you try to do. Like, we could pick it up immediately.
That's what's up. I appreciate it.
So you like what's your sign?
I am an Aquarius.
Oh, my favorite. Stop playing. It's Aquarius. It's a